Foshan Yikaixuan's Household Products Incorporated Limited, focused on curtain rails, curtain rods, aluminum profiles, is a high-tech enterprise in Foshan with 20 years of industry experience. It has skilled workers, research and development department, can offer customized products with high quality and best after-sales service. At present, the enterprise covering an area of 12,000 square meters, 3 extrusion lines, outputted 600 tons per month. 120 experienced workers and professional sales assigning teams offer one-stop service to all customers. It has passed ISO 9001 quality management system, obtained 75 patents. Yikaixuan is committed to strict quality control and considerate customer service. Products has exported to Asia, America, Europe and other 56 overseas countries. It aims to build the most influential international window decoration brand.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.